Have you ever wondered how to live stream from your computer to Facebook? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how. Hey guys, my name is Anthony. I'm going to show you how to live stream from your PC. First, you're going to want to head over to Obs Studio and go to the download link and download whatever you got, whether it's Linux, Macintosh, or Windows. We're using Windows today, so we're going to download and install Open Broadcaster software or OBS Studio. So go ahead and click yes here and click next, and I agree. Read the license agreement and then click I agree, and then next, install. I used all the default installation stuff, so you can fly through that. And then click finish, and it should go ahead and launch OBS. We're going to click OK for the pop-up, and it should go ahead and bring you into what you will be familiar with when you start streaming, or even live, or even screen recording. So if you're planning on streaming, then pay attention what you click here, because if you're planning on streaming, you want to click that one, and if you're planning on just recording, click that. If you are streaming to Facebook, you'll notice I click 720. That's regular HD. Facebook only broadcasts in 720, so there's no reason to push your computer harder than you need to. Um, Keep on going. Now this stream key, this is important. Don't let nobody see your stream key, because that means if they got your stream key, they would be able to live stream directly to your account without you even knowing. Although they can't really do it because it's difficult to do that, but it is possible. You don't want to share your live. You don't want to share your stream key. So anyways, you go to your page and you'll click on the live icon. And usually if you're on a mobile phone, you can go live from your camera on the mobile phone. But if you're going to do it on a computer, you're going to click on connect. And from there, we're going to highlight and copy the URL. And as you notice, we got the custom streaming server. We're going to post that URL into the server. Um, Facebook uses its own server for streaming. And then you're going to get your stream key, copy and paste it in. It's again, don't let nobody see your stream key or share your stream key, or make sure you either reset your stream key every time you use it, or don't share it. I went ahead and did a little test for OBS to find out what the best settings are for my broadcasting off of this computer. It's going to be low because I'm running off of an internal GPU right now. But it's going to go ahead and set it up for what your computer can handle, because you got to think it's taking a lot of processes from the CPU and also some of your graphics card. So we're going to apply those default settings, and from there we're almost ready. We got to still add what we want to capture. So right now you see the screen is blank. We're going to add a source. Actually, let's go over here and finish setting up Facebook. You can put a title for your stream here. That's going to be what's displayed. I like to put HD if I am streaming in HD, but that's just preferences. Put what you want. You can upload a different image. It's nice to have a different graphic than your standard wallpaper. Again, that's preference. Do what you want. You do have to schedule it for 10 minutes away from whenever you're scheduling it. So that's why it's being scheduled. But you can still go live whenever you want to. I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. Alright, so now that we got that set up, let's go ahead and head back on over to OBS. And that's where you can see that it just notifies people. Right here you can see on Facebook, it notifies people when you set up a live broadcast schedule. When you schedule a live broadcast, it notifies your followers. So we'll go back over to OBS, and now we're going to add a source, and we're going to do display capture. You can name it what you want. After you add a lot of different assets, you want to name them so that you know what's what. But for this, we just left it default. So we added a display capture, and as you can see, it captured what I was seeing on my desktop. Now we can click on manual start, and it's going to go, even though it's scheduled for like 5-10 minutes away, it's going to go ahead and start the stream. And it takes a second for it to actually start streaming because there is a slight delay. Don't be alarmed, there is a delay. So just be conscious of that. So that's pretty much that. I mean, now you can there's a lot you can do to make it pretty and more user or more eye friendly to the viewer, but that's pretty much the basics of it. So hope that helped y'all. If y'all want to see some follow-up videos, just let me know. Leave a comment in the bottom. Otherwise, just let me know if y'all need any other videos.